Hey guys, Cam from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries and Flaming Coals. I'm here today to show you through some amazing new products we have installed directly from Texas. It's Texas pepper jelly. We import this stuff to you so you don't have to wait, and it's directly from the States. So first cab off the rank has to be the Birdbath. Now the original Birdbath I've really been having some great results in competition with. The way I use this is about 20 minutes before the end of the cook, I glaze the chicken with this. It's sweet. This is the Peach Habanero mango. So it's sweet with a little bit of a kick in the back end, and it works really, really well on chicken. Next up is one of our favorites here. It's the apple and brown sugar habanero. So yes, it is hot. This is the rib candy. So yes, it is hot, but with the brown sugar and the apple there, it sort of calms it down a little bit. So it's ultra sweet, and then you get that really intense hit of habanero in the back end. For those who aren't chili fans, we have got the rib candy in apple cinnamon. Apple cinnamon's beautiful, pairs really, really well with chicken thighs, but also being rib candy, obviously very, very good on pork ribs. And one of the biggest competition secrets I think out there is the people are using the rib candy, but in peach habanero. So it's peach, essentially. It's peachy peach, so it's got a little bit more intense peach flavor in it, and again the habanero with that little bit of kick, so it's a bit of sweet heat there. The apple cherry is another very, very popular one. I've got some great results on ribs with this. It's really good. Family absolutely love this on chicken thighs. And last but not least, the pineapple. Now I think this is the dark horse of them all. Not a lot of people go to it. I really, really dig the pineapple. The great thing about all these rib candies is the glaze it gives. So if you ever see those ribs on those, pitmaster shows that are they look like stained glass, that's how reflective and how shiny they are. This is what they're using. This is the rib candy. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.